Hans, Maths 5 Plus, page 16. Dear students, today we learn about concept of narrow and broad. Look at the picture. You see two paths in this picture. One is narrow while the other is broad. Narrow means slim or slender. It is thin in width, having opposite edges or sides that are close to each other. Broad means having opposite edges or sides that are quite open. Let's have activity time. Write N with narrow and B with broad. As you see, the gate on the left of the page is narrow, hence write N in the circle, while the gate on the right of the page is broad, hence write B in the circle. Respectable teachers and parents explain to the children the difference between narrow and broad so that they may recognize narrow and broad objects they see in their immediate surroundings. Tell them that broad is wide in extent or scope, while narrow is having a small width, not wide, slim, slender, having opposite edges or sides that are close, especially by comparison to length or depth. Also, show them flashcards displaying the difference between narrow and broad so that they may understand the concept quite well. Help them in activity once again, repeating the concept of narrow and broad. Appreciate the children who do well with the activity and clap for them. Thank you.